Hello my dear viewers, once again welcome back to my channel. It's DIY craft videos. Hope you are doing well guys. In this video today I am going to show you spring wreaths ideas. In this video you will see 40 plus different types of spring wreaths with lots of ideas. How do you decorate a spring wreath or do it yourself spring wreaths, and much more decorations ideas are here for you, so please don't go anywhere guys. Spring wreaths that will totally freshen up your front door. So keep supporting me guys, keep watching my videos. If you have any request or if you want to ask me any question, please let me know in comment section. I will be back soon with my new videos, with my new ideas. So take care of yourself guys and enjoy my video. And if you like this video, then please share my videos as much as you can. You can also share my videos at Facebook, Google+, Instagram and etc. So thank you so much guys. Take care of yourself. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not forget to share my videos with others. Thanks for watching. Please do remember me in your prayers and my family. God bless you guys, and please share my videos as much as you can.